Hello, welcome back guys. In this video, we will learn how we can connect our Facebook to Odoo. So we can log in using Facebook account to our Odoo database. So for this, first of all, we will see how we can do this. So I will log into my database. We will do two site settings, one of the Facebook and one in Odoo. So in Odoo, you will click on setting. You can scroll down or can search authentication. So here you will click and then save. And after that, you will come back to this option again and click on auth provider. So here you guys can see Facebook graph. I You guys will click on this. So everything is will fix. This is the only client ID you guys can use for authentication for login Odoo database. So how we can generate this client ID? For this, you guys will visit the Odoo developer site, Metaphor developer. So you guys will create an app here. As you guys see, I have already created. If you have not created, you can create here a new app. And once you complete the steps of creating, just it will take 2 minutes. So you guys will copy this code and come back here and then paste here. Also allow this option, tick this allow option and then save. So from here, I will go back, log out, and you guys will see when I click on login with Facebook. So my database, it says to continue with your Facebook account, please enter your Facebook password. So I have two-factor authentication on Facebook. So I will enter my Facebook account password. So you guys can see I have successfully logged into my database. So in the next video, we will learn how we can do this by same with email. So thanks for watching. We will see in the next video.